Hey, I'm your host and welcome to our channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Diablo IV Error Code 315315. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to log in or launch the game. Some players have reported that the game crashes immediately upon launching, while others see the error when trying to log in after a patch. According to our research, the error is likely related to connectivity issues, cached data problems, or interference from VPN usage. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your gaming device along with the internet and then try again to see if the error still comes. If the error still comes and you are on PlayStation, try clearing the cache. Hold the PS button on your controller, select Turn off PS5 and wait until the power indicator light shuts off. Then press and hold the power button on the console until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Then connect your controller using a USB cable and press the PS button. Then navigate to the Clear Cache and Rebuild Database option. Then select Clear System Software Cache and then select OK. Then wait for the console to restart on its own and then check for the error again. If the error still persists while logging in, just wait for 1 minute and then try logging in again and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still continues, make sure you are not using any VPN. If you are using any, then disable them and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.